It's time for the Cheesy Mods and Mechanical Life Hack Show, where you send me your videos of mods or mechanical life hacks, and I can show the world. And you, the viewer, can comment below whether you like or dislike it.
Ready to have some fun?
On this episode, we have Tim from Ohio showing off his custom-made rack made from the scrap metal of the shipping container that the Hawk came in. Pretty crafty. Those welds look pretty good to me. And some cheapo eBay guards. Let Tim describe how he built this.
Here's my rack I built for the 2020 Hawk. Like I said before, out of the scrap tubing from the crate. It's not very neat. But I took this and bent the tubing. As you can see, scrap plywood. I could have made a longer one. It would have been easier. Then once I got the outline welded up, stuck it in this kind of jig. Finished welding it. Not a very good jig, but it worked. If I made that a little bit longer, when I put it in the vise, I could have screwed my screw in there and held it down there, but I put it in my workbench since it's made out of wood. But you can make one of these. I'm not the best welder in the world, but it came out okay. Got to put sand in the tubing, pack it down real good before you bend it, or it will get kinks. Which I did on a couple of them. But there's that, which I built. I don't know if anybody cares, but if you want any more information, I can give it to you. I put these guards on, hand guards, which are plastic there that might break eventually, but they'll work for a while. They're not made for bark busters of banging trees. There's that side. Got those off eBay, pretty cheap, probably $7 or $8. Got some more things I want to do to it. But that's what it looks like right now. I haven't ridden it yet, but I got it running. Did all the mods on the carb. Got it right before Christmas, so it's a little chilly in Ohio, so I haven't rode it. Close-up views of how that's mounted. This end here, haven't put a pull tie on there yet, but you have to grind that in, that plastic down a little bit so it fits in there. Not a very good video, I know. This side, move this over a little bit. Don't go very far. Move this out a little bit, or that won't fit in there. I do have it out a little. I like to push it back in a little more, but if I do that, I'm going to have to, if you can see right there, maybe notch that plastic a little bit there and tap that down a little further. It might work. This plastic, not on the bike, but on the hand grips. These are protectors from small branches and light stuff, but you bang into the tree, so they're probably going to break.
We want you to express yourself, okay?
So if you have any good life hacks or mods that you want to put up on Motocheez, send me a link of your videos, and we'll see if we can squeeze you into the show. Wait, I have a cooking hack. So everybody else is showing their life hacks. I figure I'll show mine. It's how to make a breakfast sandwich, sausage, egg, and cheese with either pepper jack or whatever cheese you want in less than 2 minutes. That's right. These are crumbled sausage. You could buy them, but I make mine. Make sure you stir this up good because it's going in the microwave for 1 minute.
A few moments later.
It's gonna come out looking like this. Perfecto. Butter one side. My cheese, my other half. And voila, bone apple tea. That's right.
Okay, that's what the flare's about. It's about fun.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on Motocheez.com. Thanks for watching.